there is some like syntax. What is the syntax? So syntax is very easy. It is just like the table one. Like error, yeah, like error, or you can say create table, like creating the table. See, so instead of the table, you put what? Trigger. So we say create table. We say no, create trigger, and then name of the table. So instead of the name of the table, we write name of a trigger. This is our trigger, right? And we say that now we say before insertion. In the previous case we said after deletion, okay, or before deletion we said, but now we say before insertion on the student table. What we want to do, we want some PL/SQL code. The code inside is called a PL/SQL code, right? So this code is called a PL/SQL code. This code is called a PL/SQL code within it. Also create or replace the trigger symbol on a student before insert or update or delete. So instead of the insert, you can choose insert, update, or delete. Anything you can write on it, depending on the requirements. What is the requirements from the user? So this is another syntax for it, and we have another creating trigger syntax. Okay, now here it is more detailed elaboration on that one. You can write this kind of syntax as well, so with the minor changes. Now look at this diagram, this code over there. This is called trigger to cascade updates. Cascade means like if there is change in one table, there the change reflects, propagates to another table. This is called cascading. So cascading means like running of changes. When changes run from one table to another table, or from one place another place, it is called cascading. So trigger cascade updates. So how to write it? Create, and then you write like instead of the table you say trigger, and then name of the trigger, and then say after update of the SID. So if there is a new student come, okay, so after update means if the new student comes and I want to update on a student, so update record. So how to update the record? I want a new student ID to be set into the SID, right, where record SID is equal to old SID, right? So this is a for new student. So in the previous one we said the old student has gone, so before we did it, before deletion, I have to do this one. But now a new student has come, so I have to give a new space in it. For example, if there was like 1 to 9 students, so what I have to do, I need another space for you for the 10th student. So this is why, because this is insertion. This is like a insertion operation, update operation on that one.